Chika Minute! Lovers in South Korea 2025, Donnie Pangilinan at Bel Mariano nilaglag ng Mariano siblings. And if you are truly bubbly or donator or fanay ni Bel Mariano, you will immediately know it is Donnie and Bel. Haha. Girl, you can get that wrong. That's freaking Donnie Pangilinan and Bel Mariano and Korea. My God, nako! Ito na talaga ang totoong patunay na sumunod talaga si Master sa soccer. I've seen this many times simula kagabi. Kinilig talaga ako with matching kicks dahil sa kilig.